Let's make bulb art. Bring an image of bulb and adjust it. Now bring an image of water and wrap around the bulb and adjust it. Now select bulb and make mask on water layer. On mask layer of water, start brushing with black color. Bring fish in PNG format and put blend mode to darken. Bring another fish in PNG format and put blend mode to darken. Press Shift plus Ctrl Alt to make whole dot new layer and make opacity low. Apply mask on whole image and start brushing with black color. Take new layer and apply gradient on it. Take new layer again and brush with black color to make shadow. Thank you for watching.